Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs, Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, George Kurian, attended a meeting on the BJP at the BJP office in Shillong today to discuss various party and state-related issues. Speaking to the media, Kurian said that he highlighted the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana schemes in Meghalaya's fisheries sector, along with the approval of 6 national programs for dairy development projects, totaling to Rs 6,393.68 lakhs.
Matsya Sampada scheme, the total investment in Meghalaya, it is 137 crores, and that details is here complete.
Leader of the opposition in the joint